Welcome back. It is day 5 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. As you know, if you've been here for the last 4 days of cleaning, we are going through my entire house, room by room, area by area, cupboard by cupboard, cleaning, decluttering, and organizing everything. I'm posting a video every single day in April to hopefully give you the motivation to get your spring cleaning done too. I happen to be somebody who's not great at scheduling cleaning, especially for every single day throughout an entire month, so I had AI help me out with this. I put in all of the information about our house, that we have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, all of the other extra rooms we have, and AI generated a 30-day spring cleaning schedule for me that I am going off of. Today should be a pretty easy day. These videos will range in length from shorter to a little bit longer depending on what I have scheduled for the day. The mudroom is already pretty decluttered and organized, but I still want to go through and make sure we only have in there what we use on a regular basis. I also have some cubbies I need to declutter, and we will also be deep cleaning in there. Like I said, this should be a pretty easy day, so let's get started. The shoes in this basket right here, I only put them in here so it's easy to carry them upstairs. I'm going to take them out and put them in everyone's closets. I left about 2 to 3 shoes per person in the mudroom. I just don't think it's necessary to have any more than that. I left the ones in here that we use on a regular basis. There's no reason to crowd the space. We really don't have much good storage in the mudroom right now. We don't have a shoe rack, which we could probably use. We really just have like 2 storage containers and some hangers for the coats. We don't have any like cube organizers down there or up high. I know those things will come eventually. I just really haven't found ones that I feel are big enough and functional and that I like. So if you know of any, let me know in the comments, but I actually think the space down here is like really large, and I don't want a tiny little cube organizer. Even a 13 by 13 I feel like is too small for those cubbies down there. So if you know of a larger cube organizer that's sturdy that you like I said, let me know in the comments.
But your lips are side, lost in every move, writing down your smile. Baby, hold me tight, let me trace your lies. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can't wait to tune it out. Show you all I know, let me ease your mind. Can I? By 6:08, give me another minute of your time. We'll turn it upside down. Can be sick all night, cause we'll switch it up inside out. And I give all that you want. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's fall in love, backtrack and do it over. Do it over. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's do it all night, we're never getting sober. Never getting sober. Know you want me feeling you, right on top of mine. Lost in every groove, holding down your spine. Baby, hold me tight, we gon' be alright. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can't wait to tune it out. Show you all I know, let me ease your mind. Can I? By 6:08, give me another minute of your time. We'll turn it upside down. Can be sick all night, cause we'll switch it up inside out. And I give all that you want. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's fall in love, backtrack and do it over, baby. Do it over. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's do it all night, we're never getting sober. Never getting sober. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's fall in love, backtrack and do it over. Do it over. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's do it all night, we're never getting sober. Never getting sober. I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way, girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. I'ma say every day, you got me hypnotized. Take a shot on the dot.
Thank you so much for joining me on day 5 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. I hope you're getting some spring cleaning motivation coming to these videos every single day throughout the month. I will see you tomorrow.
All we got is tonight, so can you call? Cause nobody knows how far we go. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon.